Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see Tamil Nadu State Board Syllabus Class 11 Physics Unit 2 Kinematics. This is the fourth 5-mark questions. We are going to see derive the equation of motion, range and maximum height reached by the particle thrown at an oblique angle theta with respect to the horizontal direction. So it means oblique projection. So answer, first let us define what is meant by maximum height, which is in other words h max. Then let us derive the expression for maximum height. The maximum vertical distance traveled by the projectile during its journey is called maximum height. This is the definition for maximum height. Now let us derive the expression for it. For that, let us take the Newton's third equation of motion, which is nothing but v squared is equal to u squared plus 2as. Now, for the vertical part of the motion, let us rewrite this equation in this form. Vertical part of the motion takes place in the y-axis. So let us rewrite this as v subscript y squared is equal to u subscript y squared plus 2a. Y is written as a subscript and s. So in this way let us write and let it be equation number 1. And here this uy stands for what? U is initial velocity. Initial velocity in the vertical part. That is vertical component is equal to u sin theta. And here a is nothing but what? Acceleration in the y-axis. Here the projectile is thrown upwards against the gravity. So g is taken as minus g and s is displacement. What is the displacement attained here? Maximum height. So h max it is written. At maximum height, Vy is equal to 0. When a body is thrown, it goes up and reaches a certain height, then it starts falling down. So at the maximum height, its final velocity, that is Vy, becomes 0. So let us take Vy is equal to 0. Now, let us substitute all these in equation 1. So what happens? Vy is 0. So 0 squared is equal to, in the place of uy, let us write u sin theta squared, plus 2 into, in the place of ay, let us write minus g into, in the place of s, let us write h max. So this equation becomes like this. In the next step, 0 is equal to u squared sin squared theta, here plus into minus 2g h max. So in the next step, let us rearrange the equation in this way. This right hand side becomes left hand side and this left hand side becomes right hand side. So in this way let us write u squared sin squared theta minus 2g h max is equal to 0. Now let us keep this minus 2g h max as it is and bring the u squared sin squared theta this side. Then it becomes minus u squared sin squared theta and here this minus and minus get cancelled. In the next step, therefore, h max is equal to u squared sin squared theta, 2g becomes divided. So, h max is equal to u squared sin squared theta by 2g. So, this is the expression for maximum height. Now, horizontal range, that is capital R. First, let us define it and then we go for the expression. The maximum horizontal distance between the point of projection and the point on the horizontal plane where the projectile hits the ground is called horizontal range. I mean the place where an object is thrown. The thrown object is called as projectile. That and all you know that. So the place where the object is thrown and the place where the object falls on the ground. The distance in between these 2 points is known as horizontal range. Now let us derive the expression. Now horizontal range that is capital R can be calculated by multiplying horizontal component of velocity and time of flight. So the formula is horizontal range is equal to horizontal component of velocity into time of flight. Therefore, capital R is equal to u cos theta. This u cos theta is the horizontal component of velocity and its vertical component is u sin theta, that and all you know. So here we have taken the horizontal component of velocity, which is nothing but u cos theta, into time of flight 2u sin theta by g. This is the expression for time of flight. Now in the next step, let us write the 2 in the beginning, then u into u squared, then sin theta, then cos theta by g. In the next step, let us write in this way, first u squared, then 2 sin theta cos theta by g. In this manner we can write. Now we all know that a trigonometrical formula, sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. So in the place of this 2 sin theta cos theta, we can write it as sin 2 theta. Here the trigonometric formula is given for your better understanding. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. So in the place of 2 sin theta cos theta, we can write sin 2 theta. So capital R is equal to u squared sin 2 theta by g. This is the expression for range, in other words maximum range. So with this video has come to an end. Let us continue our studies with another 5 mark question in the next video session.